Today I'm doing a Glossier video on their Black Friday 20 to 30% off sale. And if you've been around for my other 2 videos or so, thank you so much for sticking around. Anyway, enjoy. I'm excited. This is my first Glossier package I've actually gotten. I'm not gonna show my address, but anyway, I really like the pink sticker, but I don't know. I know they didn't use too much of it. I feel like it should come with cute little stickers like these instead of the regular ones that they still come with. Let's see. It's like Christmas came early. Ooh. I love it. Okay, Glossier to Smiley. This is what I call motivation. To Smiley from Liliana. Thank you for being your best self and working so hard this year. You deserve this and more. I'm excited to see you fulfill your wildest dreams. I wrote it to myself. Because, you know, if you're not hyping yourself up, who else is gonna do it for you, you know? Oh, it came with a little sample for a perfume, which is this. And it came with one little sticker, which is that. Ooh. So I got the cloud paint combo. I got them because they match my skin tone best, and I feel like any other color would have been a little too much or too little. I'd probably use this as like lip product stuff and this more for like blush, or I could just interchange it. I guess it also depends on your skin tone. Mine is more like beige/medium. For the best results, apply with fingertips, gently squeeze a tiny dot on finger and blend onto cheek. Add as you wish. Alright, this will probably be used for cheeks and maybe lip stuff. And the color looks like that. Just blend it in. Can't really see it. See, you'd have to put it on for it to be fully. Let's see. I thought it was like blush. I look so red. Oh my god. God, I look so red. Maybe I overdid it, but these are pretty durable. Like if I have it on my hands, like it won't go away. So like if it's on your cheeks, it won't go away for a while. And this one is the one that I put on my lips, but the video deleted it. Let me just re-show you a little bit. This one is really dark and intense, and I really like because you can actually make it go along, like a little goes a long way. Oh, you can't see it here. Like, I look super pale, but I'm like beige/medium. And like, look how cute it looks. Like, you can't really see it, but I can guarantee you this one is like really nice, especially for tones that are like medium and you can actually see it. I don't know, I feel like it's better for more tan skin color, although I do feel like if you're pale or lighter skinned, it would look really good if you just got like a tiny dot, and it would go a long way too. So you know I'm gonna go crazy because I kind of don't really wear makeup, and if anything I'd probably just wear this, like little basic things, just because I don't know, I guess I don't really know how to put makeup on like you would see on YouTube. I don't know if people go through a phase where they want to learn how to do makeup, or one day they just wake up knowing how to do it. Anyway, I'm a 21-year-old that doesn't know how to put on makeup. Maybe I'll learn this upcoming year, who knows. Anyway, I'm really excited to use these 2. They've been on my wish list for a while, and I just thought previously the price wasn't really worth it, and now as they had the Black Friday sale, it was more or less Alright, I might get it. I also got the bundle for these 3 products that are coming together. It is the Lidstar Glistening Eye Glow, which is going to be used for the eyeshadow. You could honestly use it for a lot of things too. You could use it for your cheeks, you could use it lipstick and just dab it onto your lips as well. So I feel like I'll find a lot of uses for it. I also got the Pro Tip eyeliner just because I know that I've been trying to find like a good eyeliner, and for me, I don't know, I'm not willing to pay a lot for Sephora ones and just try them out and see if they don't work. So if it comes from a company that really focuses on minimalistic type of products, then it should really work, and if it doesn't, then I'll keep you guys posted, because I'm really excited to try something simplistic that will actually work rather than something really corporate with a sense. Lash Slick Film Form Mascara. I honestly don't remember buying this within the package, but let's see. Ooh. I really like the pale pink color. I think it really adds to a really nice aesthetic. I know you're not supposed to like clump it and keep going like that because it kills the mascara, but I really like it. Plus, if you're an artsy Instagram person, then you can just put all these together and they're like aesthetically pleasing. I really admire the simplistic advertising and marketing of this company, because honestly, if your product is really good, you don't really have to go out of your way to do crazy advertising. If you really know the product's worth, then you're still gonna get it. So I really admire that. Ooh, I'm really excited for this. Let me test it onto my skin. Swatch it like the beauty gurus are saying. Unfortunately, the video cut out like when I did part of the video, so I'll have to slightly redo it again, but that's okay. Let's see, the Lidstar I'm the most excited for, just because I hate the concept of eyeshadow and like it's just stressful, and this is like easy on the go. You could use it as highlight for like this area right here, like the tip of your nose, even like little areas like the inner corners of your eye. I'm gonna show you, because look, it's so pretty. Put a little on my nose. Yes, sister, glow. Anyway, I'm excited to use it as an eyeshadow, just because I'm really not the best at putting on makeup or makeup knowledge as a whole, so you already know this is it for me. I'm not sure about the eyeliner. It looks really simplistic. To start, shake, press along lash line, hugging as close to lashes as possible. Alright, and it's kind of, see, it looks dark, but if you keep layering it, and now I kind of want to see if it's easy to take off, like if you're wearing it during the day and it just eventually fades out. Let's see. I got a little baby wipe here prepared. Oh, that's pretty good. Anyway, that was it for my Glossier haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and keeping up with me. If you liked my video, please comment, like, and or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one.